This Align Right Realty property video is presented by David Clark. Updated home on a large corner lot all in Lutz. This home has great curb appeal and great location. This home has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a 2-car garage. As you walk into the home, the great room and the main living area are tiled floors. The floor plan is open and spacious. The family room is carpeted and at one end are bookshelves and white bricks surround around the fireplace. Kithchen has recently been modern with new cabinets, granite, and stainless steel appliances. Also, recently installed, new AC system, new flooring throughout, new carpet in bedrooms, fresh paint inside and out, new baseboards, new vanity and master bedroom, new tile, new fixtures, newer roof and more. For more information, review the details below or contact David Clark at 813-512-2100.